6. Measurement of physical quantity. How are the various articles and materials shown in the picture measured? Now see, here some various articles are given and how we measure this. First is brinjals. We use to measure kilogram. Unit is kilogram. Next is reel of thread. For this we use which unit? Meter. Next is leafy vegetable. Use of measurement is per piece, means 1 2, that's we counting. Next, this is liquid. Liquid measure in liter. Next, ornament measured in carat. And last one is rolls of cloth fabric. We use to measure unit is meter. Physical quantity. In day-to-day life, we measure many things such as the weight of fruits, vegetables, food grains, temperature of the body, or some liquid. In liquid, milk, petrol, diesel. These are the examples of liquid. Volume of liquid, density of various substances, the speed of vehicle, etc. Quantities such as mass, weight, distance, speed, temperature, volume are called physical quantities. See, which are the physical quantities? Mass, weight, distance, speed, temperature and volume. These are the physical quantities. See, in day-to-day life, we use many things when we are buying that things. That time we measure. Fruits and vegetables we measure in kilograms. Petrol, diesel measure in liters. Cloth measure in meter, 1 meter, 2 meter. Or a time we measure in a hours, 1 hour, 2 hour, or in minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, like this. A value and a unit are used to express the magnitude of a physical quantity. Why we use a value and a unit? Value and unit why we used to express a magnitude of physical quantity. For example, Swarali walks 2 km every day. In this example, 2 is a value. 2 is a value, 2 km. In that 2 is a value and kilometer is a unit. Kilometer is a unit to use express the magnitude of the distance, which is a physical quantity. See, she is walking 2 km daily. Here 2 is value. 2 km, 3 km, 4 km means this number is a value and this kilometer. Kilometer is a unit. For distance we used unit kilometer. Scalar quantities. A quantity that can be completely expressed by its magnitude alone is called as a scalar quantity. Means in scalar quantity only magnitude is considered. For example, only magnitude, that is a value with unit, is used to express quantities such as length, breadth, area, mass, temperature, density, time, work, etc. Thus, we say that the length of a tunnel is 2 km. See, here 2 km. This is a scalar quantity. The fever temperature is 101 Fahrenheit, etc. Similarly, we are saying time between two trains is 2 hours. 2 hours is also scalar quantity. Next, vector quantity. The quantity that is expressed completely only when magnitude and directions are both given is called as a vector quantity. See, in scalar quantity only we are considering magnitude, only magnitude. But in vector quantity we are considering direction and magnitude both. See, here only magnitude and here magnitude and directions. Both we are considering. Direction means upward direction, downward direction, south, north, east, west. These are the directions. Now see here examples is given. Displacement, velocity are vector quantities. For example, a displacement of 20 km towards the north. Now see here direction is given towards the north. The aeroplane fly at a velocity of 500 km per hour. How to read this? Kilometer, this slash is called as per. Kilometer per hour towards Mumbai. See here also direction is given towards. Here towards the north. Means keep in mind in vector quantity we are considering magnitude and direction both. And in scalar quantity we are considering only magnitude.